So this is the drawer. You can see what it looks like. It's not the vintage ones. I wanted to get some vintage ones, but you can see it's like a typical standard drawer. The color's okay, but I don't really, it's not my favorite thing. So I've got some tools here. I've got some sanding paper. I've got the paint, which is this paint plus primer in one, because I'm lazy. It's like a green color. I'm really excited because green and gold is like a match made in heaven. I've got like some gold spray paint here as well. I got this from Amazon. It's like antique gold, because I don't want like really shiny gold. I've got like wood filler, because I'm thinking actually I might either paint this and use the same one, or I'm gonna drill like some new holes. But I either use these and then where I'm gonna have to separate, like put up like bigger, like make it far away rather than use this two, or I'll just spray paint this gold and then return this, but we'll see. I've also got like the paint tools that I'm gonna use here. I got this one from B&Q, I believe, so wish me luck. I'm going to get some sort of cloth now, like a simple cloth, to just wipe it down with water, and then I'm gonna sand it down a little bit and then take it from there. So now that I've cleaned it down, whilst it's drying, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these out so that I can spray paint them. You can see I have access to the screws from the inside, them ones. It's spray painting time, and you can tell I've got a whole lot of stuff from different projects that I've got here lined in front of me. I don't know what this color is going to come out as. I am scared, but we shall see. Coat number 1. So now I've got the drawers out individually, and I've got some sandpaper. I believe this is 100 grit, I think it's called. So I'm gonna sand it down. Although the paint that I'm using, they're saying that you don't need to sand it down, but I'm going to sand it down just a little bit, just in case the paint isn't as good as they say it is. So I've got my paint here now, and I hope this is clear enough, but I think I've shown it before earlier. And I lined my painting thingy with painting tray, I should say, with foil, because I can't be asked to clean. Now I'm gonna pour the paint into the foil bit. It's like a really lush green. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. They said you can thin the paint, but I'm just gonna use it as it is. Yeah, I'm really praying that I don't mess this up, because this paint was expensive. It's looking all right so far.
Well, it sounds to me like it was just...
I feel like I should have done this a little bit earlier in the day, because it's like 7 p.m. and I've only just done my first coat. They said it should take around 2 hours before you do the next one. So yeah, I'm gonna go and have something to eat. You can see the gold over there. I like the contrast actually already. This is not, it's only done like a little bit. It's not, you can see it's not very, it hasn't stuck on properly, so I'm gonna wait 2 hours and then come back and give it a second coat. It's not quite dry yet. This is the second coat. So I'm in the middle of this DIY, and I have, this is like my second coat. I still have one more coat to do so the color pops a little bit more. But I put the what's it called again? The like the rails of the, what do you call these things again, the pull for the drawer on. So this is the one that was on there before, but I've just spray painted it gold. I don't know, I have a feeling that it's not the one. The thing is, if I need to take these off, I'm gonna have to put drills on the side and use those pulls over there instead, and I'm not sure. I can't convince myself. Honestly, I have no idea. Should I stick with this? I don't know. I'm still thinking. You can't really see them, but I feel like it's obvious that I prefer this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill the hose. I started making like some, probably can't see it, where I wanna like put the holes on. Actually it's actually here. And this is where the current one is. So yeah, I think I'm going to be brave, and then I'm gonna drill the holes. I'm using this wood filler, and I think it's gonna do the job. I'm watching telly at the same time, but this is it. And then I've drilled this new hole, and I've covered the old one up. If you make a little bit of a mistake, you can just use this and literally just rub it off. See that? It's coming off. Happy days. This is only gonna show by the side of the drawers. And you're not gonna see it everywhere, but yeah, I just like the fact that if when I draw this out, I don't need to see that. So mistake fixed. Wow, so after all of the heartache and suffering, I'm finally done. This is what it looks like. I feel like my camera is not really capturing everything, but you can see the end there, like the, what's it called again, the, geez, what are those things, the legs, the stands of the wardrobe, of the drawers, sorry. And you can also see like a closer detail here of the, what's it called again, the pulls, the drawers. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I think it's quite dusty from I was doing some further like drilling. This was a bit misaligned yesterday, so I had to drill a hole closer to here because it was a bit towards the side. So make sure you get your dimensions right. But it is literally perfect. Oh my goodness. Wow. I actually can't believe it. The size as well is, like, you can't really see it from that side. Wait, let me move across. This is this side, so you can see like it's clean. Like I did a good job, man. I really did. Look at that. It's literally perfect. Perfect. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I think I have one more DIY coming up. It's that one over there. Look at that mess. But anyway, that's going to be a video for another day. Hopefully this video has been enjoyable. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you somewhere in this space sometime soon. Bye.